welcome back to One Crafty Ginger. I'm Mercedes. If you enjoy quick and easy craft and DIY projects, thrift store flips, clearance finds, and some rescue dogs, then you're in the right place. So today I have a couple of really cute, super easy spring farmhouse decor pieces that you can make with items from like Dollar Tree or Michael's or Walmart or Hobby Lobby. Wherever you can find the items, you can pretty much find them anywhere. I appreciate you joining me today. As always, a list of the supplies needed will be in the description box below. And without further ado, let's get started. Okay, for this project, you'll need one of these, what are they calling them? Pencil holders from the Dollar Tree. Some of this burlap ribbon that I also got from the Dollar Tree. And these cute little wooden bunny decor pieces. You can find similar items at like Hobby Lobby and Michael's and Walgreens. And then you'll also need your trusty glue gun. And to protect those fingers of yours, I recommend one of these little face mask applicators that you get in the makeup section at the Dollar Tree. And you'll also need some scissors. So what I'm going to do is take my cup here and my ribbon and kind of get an idea about how much I need to wrap around. And I'm going to allow for a little bit of an overlay, and you'll see why in just a moment. And then I'm going to take my glue gun, kind of figure out where roughly is center, and apply some glue, and then lay down my burlap ribbon and use this little trusty spatula here to place it down so I don't burn my fingers, because I don't feel like having a trip to the ER for a hot glue gun burn. Although honestly, if I did burn myself, I probably wouldn't go to the ER. I would just deal with it at home. Alright, so when I said I was going to have some overlay, this is why, because I'm going to fold my ribbon under before I glue it down, so that way I have a nice clean seam in the back of my cup here. I'm just tucking in, and I'm just going to apply the glue again. And then use my trusty makeup spatula here. You can even use the bottom part if you want, because you're just saving your fingers. Save the fingers. Save the liver. Anybody know what Saturday Night Live skit that's from? It's way super old, but it's so funny. It's one of my favorites. Hint, if you watch Julie and Julia the movie, you would have most likely have seen part of that Saturday Night Live skit. A little hint there for you. Alright, so then I have my ribbon around my cup. And I'm going to be taking one of these bunnies here. Now, just to give you guys a heads up, these bunnies had like little strings from, I guess, like a hot glue gun. So I just used some tweezers that I got at a Dollar Tree, and I kind of picked off the extra glue bits that were around it, because I didn't want any glue bits on my bunny. So I did that just to give you guys a little hint. And then I'm just going to kind of see where the middle is here. Apply some glue and attach the bunny. And again, I'm a little heavy-handed with the glue, so sadly some glue is probably going to stick out. Don't be like me. Don't be heavy-handed with the glue. But check that out, guys. Look at how cute that is. And you can put like your pencils in there. You could put your makeup brushes in there. You could do all sorts of stuff with it, and it's so adorable. project, you'll need one of these. They're just calling them wood crates. You can find at the Dollar Tree or Walmart, Hobby Lobby, Michael's, wherever. Some wooden beads. Some ribbon. You can either use like the burlap ribbon if you want, or I'm using buffalo check. You'll need paint. I use Apple Barrel Matte White and a paintbrush. You'll also need the cute little bunny. The bunny. Oh, I love the bunny. Decor pieces that I got from the Dollar Tree. You'll also need your trusty glue gun. So what I'm going to do first is take my wood crate here and my wooden beads. And if you can't find wooden beads, you guys can also like take one of these garland pieces and then deconstruct it for the beads, because there's white ones there. And then I'm going to just put some glue down in the corners and glue on the wood beads like so. And then I recommend taking the tag off. But once you have the beads, you'll have this cute little like stand for your box. And then you're going to take your paint. Like I said, I used the Apple Barrel White acrylic craft paint and matte. You can also use spray paint and paint your box. And once your box is painted, it'll look like so. The magic of television. And then, as I mentioned, I'm going to use this buffalo check ribbon. So I'm going to start it here. And then I'm also going to use my trusty little mask applicator so I don't burn my fingers. But I am just going to apply glue just on the middle piece here across the middle. You gotta be careful there because it has a little bit at the top, but that's okay. Covers up that little hole a little bit, but that's not the end of the world. It's okay. And then put that down. And then we're going across the middle here. I love this neutral look that we are rocking today with our decor, because I think it goes with like anything. And then cut off a little excess here for your overlay. And then I'm going to tuck it in. Apply some more glue. So I get kind of a cleaner finish in the back. I have a little bit of excess glue, so I'm actually just going to kind of tuck that in back there. So there we have it. And then, last but certainly not least, we're going to take Mr. Bunny here. And we are just going to glue him on. So I'm going to put some glue on the back of my bunny and place him roughly in the middle like so. And if you have any little bits from here, like there's a little bit of glue from where I glued it, you could use just a pair of scissors to clean it off. But look at how cute that is. You can use it for all sorts of things to display. You could put eggs in there. You could put candy in there. And it was so easy to do. And I wanted to share with you guys a super easy little trick if you wanted something to put on your fridge or give out as a little gift. You'll get the bunny decor again, because it's all about the bunny today. One of these little wooden bunny pieces. Sub-magnets that you could purchase at the Dollar Tree. I just don't have the container anymore. And your trusty glue gun. And then all we're going to do is apply just a little dab of glue. The magnet there, and then I'm going to do another little dab of glue on his head because I don't want the magnet to fall off my fridge. And then there you have it, guys. How easy is that? A really cute little bunny magnet that you could put on your fridge. How adorable is that? Thank you so much for watching today's video and spending some time with me. If you would be so kind to comment down below, let me know what your favorite project was. I'd really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video, I'd also appreciate a thumbs up. It's completely free and it helps me out. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. I love to have you as part of my YouTube family. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, and all to my new subbies that have joined me over the last few months. Thank you so much for coming by and welcome. I appreciate you. I hope you are enjoying the content that I am putting out. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I am going to a scrapbooking retreat in Salt Lake City for a couple of days. So I'm leaving tomorrow, Friday. I won't get home until Sunday. And we're going to be scrapbooking and paper crafting. And it's going to be so much fun. I'm really looking forward to it because I'm celebrating my birthday a little early because it's on Tuesday. So we're going to have a good time. I hope you guys have a great weekend. And also comment down below. Let me know, are you guys doing anything fun this weekend? I'd love to hear what you guys are up to. And until next time, goodbye.